Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Metal Horror Game Chapter 3. First, you'll want to find the initial safe zone to gather your thoughts and plan your next moves. Make sure to pick up crucial items such as your flashlight and any available basic weapon. Pay close attention to the enemy patrol routes in the starting area. Learning these patterns is key to avoiding early detection and conserving your resources. Good luck out there. As you progress, you'll encounter various puzzles designed to test your wits. One early challenge involves the generator puzzle, requiring you to locate 3 power cells scattered throughout the environment. Use your map and flashlight diligently to navigate the dimly lit corridors, as getting lost can be dangerous. Remember to find the 4-digit code to unlock the main security door, which opens the path to the next section. Stay alert. Combat in Chapter 3 demands a strategic approach. Whenever possible, prioritize stealth to bypass stronger enemies, saving your valuable resources. Ammunition is scarce, so conserve it for critical encounters and especially for the challenging boss fights you'll face. Learning to identify enemy weak points is crucial. A well-aimed shot can make a significant difference in taking down threats efficiently. Choose your battles wisely to survive. The final boss of Chapter 3 presents a formidable challenge, featuring 3 distinct attack phases you'll need to learn and adapt to. Pay close attention to the environment. You can often use hazards or cover to your advantage during the intense battle. Remember to keep moving and exploit any openings you find. Before you go, check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Good luck defeating the final threat and completing the chapter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.